The Rebel, written by DJ and Wright. इस पोएम द रेबल बागी में एक बागी शख्स के रवैये का हकीकत पसंदाना जायज़ा लिया गया है और माशरे में मौजूद बागियों के रवैये को हमदर्दाना तौर पर समझने की दावत दी गई है। लोग छोटे बाल पसंद करें तो बागी लंबे बाल रखता है। लोग लंबे बाल रखने लगें तो बागी छोटे बाल पसंद करता है। लोग बोल रहे हों तो ये चुप रहता है। लोग चुप हों तो ये बोलने लगता है। लोग एक जैसा लिबास पहनने लगें तो ये उनसे हटकर लिबास अपनाता है। लोग शौक लिबास इख्तियार करें तो ये सादा लिबास की तरफ आता है। डॉग्स पसंद करने वालों में ये बिल्लियों का जिक्र ले बैठता है और बिल्लियों यानी कैट्स का जिक्र हो रहा हो तो ये डॉग्स पर बात शुरू कर देता है। धूप निकली हो तो बारिश की ख्वाहिश करता है। बारिश हो रही हो तो धूप की तमन्ना रखता है। लोग किसी जलसे में जा रहे हों तो ये किताब पढ़ने बैठ जाता है। लोग किताब पढ़ने के लिए घर पर ठहरें तो ये जलसे में जाने की तैयारी करता है। लोग किसी बात पर हाँ कहें तो ये नहीं कहेगा। अगर लोग नहीं कहें तो इसका जवाब हाँ होगा। दरअसल बगावत दूसरों से मुख्तलिफ होने की ख्वाहिश का नाम है। माशरे में बागियों का वजूद ज़रूरी है, वरना सबका एक जैसा हो जाना कोई अच्छी बात ना होगी। The Rebel, written by DJ and Wright. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. The poet tells us that rebels in the society are not true rebels but are so-called rebels. He describes the rebellious attitude of a rebel against the long-established social customs and traditions. The rebel discusses the attitude of young people who disagree with what society expects of them. The central idea of the poem is that a uniform life is very dull and boring. This idea has been presented through the behavior of a rebel. The action of rebel is motivated by self-assertion and individualistic show-off. The rebel wants to be different in an indifferent world. Whatever the people may do, the rebel is there to attract their attention by doing something quite different. The poet has a sensible appreciation for the complex attitude of a rebel. His portrait of a rebel is keen, subtle, and witty. Neither vicious nor dangerous, the rebel role play acting is harmlessly motivated by either a sense of inferiority, insecurity, or self-exhibition. Serious and solemn in themselves and funny to their peers, but unfunny to their superiors, a passing phase in a person's growth towards maturity. Questioning his readers to ponder, the poem remains open-ended. Though it closes on a muted note, the poem is remarkable for its amusing humor, devoid of bitterness. The poet successfully persuades us to develop tolerance for rebels and bear with their eccentric attitude and desire to be different from resigned crowd governed by a mass mind. The poem is remarkable for its amusing humor. There is no bitterness in this humor. The poem has an element of satire also.